Okay, Tim, this video is for you. This is the only way I can explain it. With pictures aren't going to tell the whole story on this. I'm on the other side of the beam. What we're seeing right here, this rod is welded to a steel plate that is riding on this brick. This is just a regular red brick. It's resting on that. It's only in on the brick about 1 inch. 1 inch it's on that brick. The web joist, the truss, is resting on this plate, but I can feel it up here, and the end of it is right at the, not even over the brick. That's why they had to do this. They cut these they made these too short, and it couldn't span to get into here. So it's what they did is on each one of these web trusses, they got it resting on this brick, and they have a solid poured void in that block all the way down, and that rod is coming all the way up to hold this. That's what's holding each one of these as we go down the wall. It's holding that one right there. It's holding the next one, and the next one, and the next one. That's how that's how they're being held. So the only thing we can do, that I'm thinking, I hope you got a better idea than I do, is put another beam in here right next to it to carry the weight, and then put two pole joists in, two posts in to hold it. But I'm telling you, this is way past what I can do. Then let's look at the side view. That's the 10-inch block, and that's all that's being held on that side, because it tapers down. This is what I opened up, and as far as I can understand the way this is, that is carrying the load of the other side of the roof, because the roof's lower on this side. I'm going to try to give you the best visual as I can for this. But the block is solid, and that rod's coming right up through. And if you follow the rod down, it's in a void of the block all the way down. And of course, I didn't take all the block out to make that, but it kind of stands to reason. Common sense says that's going all the way to the floor, because it's holding up the ceiling. And in every web truss, you can see that piece of metal that they have welded on sticking right out of the wall. So I know that's the way it is all the way down. If you'd like, I'll break them all open, but I know for a fact that's what it is. So this is what we got, Senor. And right there's where the weld is. And this is the plate. The plate comes from here and goes back. And like I said, it's just sitting on this brick only about 1 inch. So, man, I'm telling you what, this is one cob job. That's the roof on the other side.